Previously on Just a Little... That was so bad. Previously on Just a Little Roo.
Why not throw him a Star Wars surprise birthday with his 3 favourite people?
You have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
Keep cups. Wake up, check your phone. Ignore the alarm, you're still alone. Wake up, rewind the night. Who are you? But also kind of who am I? Wake up, check your phone. Pre-party for the apocalypse, don't forget to RSVP. Think about how the polar bears are running out of ice.
Good morning, today is the day. I'm not going to talk too loud because Shay's in his room next door. But today's the day I'm going to show you what we've got. It's all set up downstairs. So we've got banners up, we've got all of the stuff set out, like the cakes and everything. All his presents are out too, and Mum's just going to sprinkle some like happy birthday confetti that I've had since I was about 15 on the ground. Oh, he has no idea. The happy birthday banner is my favourite part. So these are the Wookiee cookies. The Wookiees. Got the eyes on them. Ewok brownies. Galaxy brownies. They're meant to be asteroids. And then we have the cakes. Oh, I'm so excited about this. You do have to come downstairs.
Come on, birthday boy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sharon. You're trapped! Happy birthday to you. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip
I just noticed that was
Because it's May the 4th. There's your food menu.
And I like Star Wars.
Read your food menu.
And now. Bolognese.
Go. It's this birthday section.
This one Rose when she was 20.
Put your arm through.
It's upside down.
So you can read it.
Yeah, it is the wrong way around.
Some way around.
Go on, blow your candles out. Oh.
Want to blow them out?
Yes.
Yeah, blow your candles out. Yay!
Very good shit.
Which do you like best?
Can't taste any of them anyway.
The asteroid brownies,
Yeah.
the Ewok brownies, the Wookiee cookies, or the Jedi cupcake?
You want to try a Wookiee cookie? And get you a plate.
Wookiee cookie.
I'm also going to have a Wookiee cookie. Success. That was brilliant. He loved it. He had a cookie straight away. Yay! Hard work pays off. Talking of hard work, I'm gonna do like 15 minutes of work, that's it, because I then have to go and cook his lunch. I took it upon myself to volunteer to make Bolognese for his dinner. So he wants it as soon as possible, so I'm gonna I'm gonna have to go and do it. It's my fault. Okay, I need to make bed as well.
I wanna know what the word is when somebody like you's in the building. Place on fire, I'm so lit. You're just it, you're all I want. Kicking back for a minute when I can't keep my cool.
Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. We're now going to make bolognese veggie style. So I am using corn mince. It does have egg in it. There is a vegan one in Sainsbury's. That is, I think it's vegan. They're meat-free mince, but this is what we've got, so I'm going to use it.
Other vegetables that I'm including are mushrooms, pepper, onion, spinach, and sometimes I use carrot, like cut into thin circles because I really like that in Bolognese, and peas, but we're not using those today, we're just using these vegetables here. I'll go through all of the ingredients now for you. I don't measure things, I don't like measuring, I just do it by sight. But I'm hoping you'll see like the amounts that I'm doing. So we've got some chopped tomatoes there as well. Oh, I've forgotten tomato puree. And tomato puree. Let's go.
For a minute, cause they don't really know how to come with it. When we turn out, sun rays out, shining out. It's just how we glow.
I normally chop my onions much smaller than this, like these are quite big chunks, but because it's a Bolognese I don't mind them being large. It really doesn't matter because it all reduces down and melts. Now we're having 3 people eating this and I want leftovers, so how many is this supposed to feed? 4. Well, that's me using all of it.
Cut to mine now, flashing lights and sirens.
I am a massive garlic fiend, I will add so much garlic.
Garlic!
If this was in cloves, 2 would be the minimum. Bit of basil. That was a lot of basil actually. Now with peppers, I really do like to cut them small because I'm not a huge pepper fan. And if I'm going to put pepper in something, it has to be like properly cooked. So I make sure it's properly cooked by cutting it small.
No small talk, say it to my body.
More spinach than anything because it literally just like shrivels down to nothing. But I'll probably add more than this. So I'm going to add a cube of vegetable stock. It doesn't really matter what stock you use, but because I'm keeping it veggie, I'm using vegetable stock. If you fancy using beef to actually make it taste a bit more like beef, or if you're using like real meat, then any will do. And then literally just so you just let that sit for a bit, let it absorb the stock, let the spinach wilt, and once the spinach is wilted, you want to add a tin of chopped tomatoes. I'm just going to leave it to simmer for 5 minutes now, just to allow the tomato to really like reduce down and get in the flavour of the soy mince and the stock. I did add an extra 150 ml of water because I forgot I was making this for double the amount of people as normal. The spinach has all but disappeared, so I am going to add some more now. I said I would. I am. Hi. Right, it's time to put the spaghetti on.
The bolognese is actually probably ready at this point, so if you turn it down to a really low heat, or I've actually turned the heat off while the spaghetti cooks, or you could just be more organised than me and cook your spaghetti before it's ready. I then spent the rest of the afternoon going through the study tube project admin and submissions and writing down feedback and stuff, ready to send out in emails, and also did a little bit of editing.
mostly just the study tube project admin.
Hello, it's been a while since I last picked up the camera, but in the time that has passed, me, my brother and my mum have been for a quick walk to my granddad's. It's like 15-20 minute walk away, and we spoke to him from his like flat window. He's in the second floor flat, so we could say happy birthday to my brother. And now I've come back doing a little bit more sorting for the study tube projects videos, and now I'm about to have my tea. I'm so excited. I am having leftover Chinese from yesterday. And I'm gonna watch rain while I do it. I always have tofu and black bean with fried rice. Amazing. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna charge it and come back to you later, but it's like 7:45 now, and what I've been doing for the last hour and a bit is going through the study tube project submission. So I was doing that earlier as well, but basically I'm just going through the Google Docs response forms because everyone else is really busy, so it needed to be done. I thought I should do it. What I'm doing is looking at everyone's unlisted videos that they have submitted and uploaded for us, making sure that it is the sort of thing that suits our channel, providing feedback, positive and constructive criticism to send back to people in an email. And I've not actually done the emails yet, but I'm preparing the constructive criticism and positives and basically trying to decide which ones should make it onto the channel, and then everyone else will also help with that too, but this is just like the first round of doing it. I've had some really good submissions, really good ones.
Later that same evening.
I think I'll probably go and watch Last Kingdom now, because I've got through the last submission and I don't really want to do any more. I can't face emailing people with like negativeness today. I'm actually going to sign off here because it is basically the end of the day. All I'm going to do is watch TV and then go to bed now. But I've had such a nice couple of days. It's been so nice to do all of this stuff for my brother. I know he appreciates it. I know he enjoyed it, and if we didn't do anything then I'd have felt really bad and he'd have been sad, I think. Maybe, I don't know. He might have enjoyed not being bothered. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching the vlog of my brother's birthday and all the baking and stuff. I'll try and link the recipe that I used for the Bolognese, but I don't really weigh stuff out, so it might be slightly difficult. I'll try, and I'll put it in the description. Give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you want more like cooking and baking videos with recipes and stuff, because I actually really enjoy making them, but I don't know if you want them, so I need you to tell me. And subscribe if you aren't already for more content, and I will see you very soon. Friday to be exact, with our real-time study with me, 10 till 12, be there or be square. I'm going to be there working alongside you for 2 hours, and we can get done as much as we can.